What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. If I would ever recommend an eyeshadow palette to you guys, the palette that I would recommend that you get out of anything in the store or online right now, I would recommend the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And mine is very dirty because I've had this since 2017 and I use it quite a bit. I also taped on the back just the insert, like the back insert from the Jaclyn Hill box that it arrived in. This would be the one palette that I would encourage both makeup artists and just makeup lovers alike to get. I will show you all of the wonderful colors that you get in here. So in this corner you will get the bold bright colors that you can switch it up with. In this corner you will get the deeper vampy smoky colors, and then all up top you will get a mix of warm and cool tone shades. And I just love that this palette kind of has it all. And also they feel really buttery, creamy, smooth. Now I'm not sure about the palettes that's being created now, but this was when she first launched this palette. It sold out in like I want to say 15 to 30 minutes, maybe in an hour. And so I caught the second launch of this. That's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today. And so I really just did a quick neutral bead that has a mix of cool tone and warm tone shades in here. And I recommend that you get this palette whether you are doing makeup on other people or you're doing makeup on yourself, because you can get a ton of different looks with this palette. You can do it all with this palette. You have your brow bone highlights, you have your crease shades, you have your lid shades, you have your smoky shades. Like, you can do everything with this palette. The only thing I wish she offered a version of this palette where the packaging was easier to clean. I think she updated the packaging and made it like the smooth type that you can just like wipe off. I think, don't hold me to that. I haven't checked on this palette in a while. And also I wish that she included the names on the actual palette, because I had to tape the names up here. I wish that she featured a mirror right here in this palette, because I do not like sitting one palette down to reach for another mirror. If you don't get any other eyeshadow palette first starting out, you definitely make sure to get this one. Although I don't really watch Jaclyn Hill's channel too much nowadays anymore, I still think she's an amazing makeup artist. I learned a lot from her, and I also think her palette is bomb. She's done other palettes, she's done other versions of this palette, but to me this is the best version of her palette, so I highly recommend you get this one. So I hope you all really enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you're not already part of the QueenDollFacee family. And thank you so much for watching, and as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls, and until next time, hasta luego!